Could your next home be delivered in a box and still be the best place you'll ever live? Let's find out together. Welcome everyone, I'm coming to you from Winds of Thought, and today we are going on a very special trip. We are traveling to see a house that changes everything I thought I knew about building a home. It's beautiful, yes, but the real story isn't just about how it looks, it's about how it is made. This house is built in a factory with a level of care and precision that is hard to find on a normal building site. And I promise by the end of our tour, you will see your own home in a completely new way. So let's walk right in. From the very first step, you feel something different. The air is clean and still, the light is perfect. This is a home that feels peaceful from the moment you enter. The space is open and welcoming. To one side, a beautiful staircase catches your eye. It's a piece of art, really smooth and perfectly made. Straight ahead, huge glass doors slide open to a quiet courtyard outside, and right there in the middle, a lovely olive tree grows. It's like nature is waiting to greet you. This house is big, but it never feels empty. Every single part of it was planned to do two things: to be stunning to look at and to be kind to our planet. Those are not always friends, but here they work together. Now, see these tall doors? They are a perfect example of the clever thinking here. Let me show you something. I close them, and just like that, the front door is gone. The entrance hall disappears. You are now in a cozy private space for cooking and eating with your family. It's a simple idea, but it feels like magic. You can have a big open house, or you can have small quiet rooms. You get to choose every day. And this brings us to the kitchen. My friends, this is a dream kitchen. It feels warm and inviting, not cold and shiny. The cabinets are a warm wood. The counters are a strong, natural stone. Everything you touch feels solid and good. Over here, they built the TV right into the wall, so it sits perfectly flat. No wires, no big black screen staring at you. It just blends in, and right next to it, my favorite surprise, look at this wall. It looks like more cabinets, right? But watch, a gentle push and the whole wall opens. It's a secret wine room. Step inside, the lights glow softly on the shelves. The back wall has a soft golden shimmer. It's a tiny, private world inside your kitchen, a place for your favorite bottles or just a quiet moment. It makes the whole kitchen feel special, like it has a wonderful secret. The heart of this room is the table. It's not just a table, it's over 20 feet long, made from one beautiful piece of wood. It's attached right to the kitchen island, so the person cooking is never left out. Everyone can talk, laugh, and be together. It's made for big family dinners, for homework, for life. Now, that island, it's not just a counter. It's a giant piece of limestone. They left the edges rough and natural, like it was just cut from the earth. It's a piece of art you can cook on. In the middle, there's a special cooktop that doesn't need big fans above it. The fan comes up from the counter itself. It keeps the air clean and the view clear. Behind me is another sink with a beautiful brass tap. You see little touches of gold and brass all through this house. On a light switch, a door handle. They don't shout. They whisper a feeling of quality. And when you're done cooking, you can hide it all. These big doors slide closed and your kitchen becomes neat and tidy in seconds. Everywhere you look, the storage is smart, drawers that close silently, cupboards that go deep, and just around this corner, another secret, a walk-in pantry with shelves for everything. It's every cook's dream. The people who built this home chose every machine carefully. They picked brands that are not only the best, but also use very little electricity. Why? Because a luxury home shouldn't have a giant, scary power bill. Being smart with energy is part of the luxury now. Now, let's leave the kitchen for a moment. Through this door is a laundry room hidden away, and a small bathroom with the most fun, fish-themed wallpaper. It's playful. It shows this house doesn't take itself too seriously. But I need to tell you about the most important part of this home. You can't see it. You can only feel it. It's in the walls themselves. The walls of this house are not normal. They are the secret to everything. The quiet, the perfect temperature, the clean air. To really understand, we have to leave this beautiful house for a little while. We have to go to where it all started. We have to go to the factory. This is where the magic begins. This huge, clean building is where every part of the home is created. Imagine building the most important parts of your house indoors, where there is no rain, no wind, no mud. That's what happens here. Teams of skilled workers, helped by precise machines and even robots, build the walls, the floors, the roof, all in a controlled space. This means every cut is perfect. Every measurement is exact. There is almost no waste. Wood isn't left outside to get wet. Materials don't get damaged. The star of the show is their special wall system. It's like a super sandwich. On the outside it's strong and protective. On the inside it has layers and layers of the best insulation you can imagine. What does that mean for you? It means the heat stays in during winter. The cool air stays in during summer. Your heating and cooling systems don't have to work hard. You save money and you use less energy. It's a simple, brilliant idea, but it's more than that. These walls help the air inside your home stay healthy. They keep out dust and pollen. For a family, especially with kids, this is a huge gift. You are breathing cleaner air without even thinking about it. In this factory, they can build the shell of an entire home in just days. Then, it's carefully wrapped, loaded onto trucks, and driven to your land. In a matter of weeks, what was once an empty lot becomes a finished, beautiful house. It's faster, cleaner, and often stronger than a house built slowly, piece by piece, outside. This is building smarter, not harder. It's the future and it's happening right now. Okay, let's go back to our finished home. Now that we know what's inside the walls, let's see how it feels to live here. Just off the kitchen, there's a covered walkway. Even if it's raining, you can walk outside without getting wet. It leads to your garage and to something truly special, your own home spa. Yes, a spa. Walk inside. There's a comfortable bench to relax on. There's a changing room, and there, glowing warmly, is a sauna big enough for your whole family. Imagine finishing a long day, stepping into your own sauna, and letting all the stress melt away. Around the corner is a huge walk-in shower. The shower head is like a soft waterfall. The tiles are a beautiful, calming blue. This isn't just a bathroom, it's your personal retreat. No membership fees, no driving. It's right here, anytime you need it. Now, let's go to the living room. This room is designed for comfort and connection. In the center is a modern fireplace that burns clean bioethanol fuel. No smoke, no chimney, just a beautiful, real flame. The sofas are arranged so everyone can see the fire and talk to each other. The TV is on the wall for movie nights, but the best feature is the glass. Big, sliding doors open the entire wall to the garden. Inside and outside become one space. The light floods in all day long, and at night the lighting takes over. Small spotlights, hanging lamps, and soft glows from the ceiling make the room feel warm and cozy. The walls have real wood panels adding texture and warmth. This is a room you never want to leave. Near the front door, there's a very useful boot room, a place to take off muddy shoes and wet coats. It's controlled by a simple smart home system. With a tap on a tablet or a voice command, you can set the temperature, turn on lights, or even start the oven before you get home. The technology isn't complicated, it just makes life easier. Now, look down at the floor. It's a beautiful oak wood treated to last a lifetime, and see how it flows right up the stairs. Let's talk about this staircase. It's not just stairs, it's a sculpture. The wood folds and rises in a beautiful design. You can see the grain, the quality. It's a piece of craftsmanship that shows the love put into this home. Let's follow it up. Upstairs is for rest and privacy. The first door we come to is the main bedroom suite. First, you walk into a dream dressing room. The lights are soft, the hanging space is generous, everything has its place. Then, into the bedroom itself. It is so calm and quiet. The bed is placed right in the center, facing large doors that open to a private balcony. You wake up and see trees and sky. It's your own peaceful escape. And the bathroom, it's incredible. A beautiful freestanding bathtub sits under elegant hanging lights. You can open pocket doors to make the space feel huge, or close them for privacy. The walk-in shower is tiled in warm, gold-colored mosaics with a huge rainfall showerhead. There are 2 sinks set into a stunning stone wall. A skylight above lets in sunshine. Even the toilet has its own little private room. Every detail is considered. Down the hall, there's a quiet home office. It has carpet for quiet, access to a balcony for fresh air, and a beautiful wooden ceiling. It's the perfect spot to focus and work. And for the family, there are 2 more bedrooms. One is designed for a young girl with soft pink touches and a secret bathroom behind a door, decorated with fun mermaid-style tiles. The other is more energetic, with bright colors and modern fixtures. Both rooms share a sunny balcony. The best part, these rooms are safe. The paints, the woods, the materials, all were chosen because they are non-toxic and healthy for children to grow up with. A beautiful home should also be a safe home. This idea, that a home should protect your health, comes right from those special factory-built walls. They don't just save energy, they create a shield, keeping the inside air clean and pure for your family. Now, let's go outside one last time. The outside of the house is just as thoughtful. It's covered in a mix of smooth plaster and natural stone. It looks classic and will last for years without needing much care. All those big windows are specially made to keep the temperature perfect inside, no matter how hot or cold it is outside. In the garden, there's a shallow pool of water that reflects the sky. There's a fire pit for cool evenings with friends. The plants were chosen to help bees and butterflies, not just to look pretty. This house sits gently on the land. It doesn't fight nature, it joins it. So, what have we seen today? We've seen a home that is more than just a pretty picture. It is a smart, healthy, responsible machine for living. It is built better because it's built indoors with care. It costs less to run because it's sealed tight and insulated perfectly. It is safer for your family because of the materials used. True luxury isn't about showing off. It's about feeling comfort, health, and peace every single day. It's about a home that takes care of you so you have more time and energy for your life. If this tour made you think differently about what a home can be, please let me know. Give this video a like. It really helps our channel, Winds of Thought, find more people who love these ideas, and subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. If you want to learn more about building a home like this, the information is in the description below. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Thank you for your curiosity. Keep wondering, keep asking questions, and keep imagining the life you want to live. Until next time, take care.